discuss about chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.6. Here first question, solve 8x minus 3 by 3x equal 1. How to solve this one? Here left equal this side represent as left hand side, equal this side represent as right hand side. In right hand side, denominator part in order, you can keep 1 as a denominator. Next process, what we want to do is just to cross multiply. 1 is cross multiplied with the left side numerator and 3x is cross multiplied with the right side numerator. So any number multiplied with 1, what is the answer? Same number itself. Equal 2 is multiplied with the left side denominator 3x multiplication. 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 2 into 3 6 x bring to one side. So 8x already there, plus 6 goes to right side, conjugate to take plus conjugate to become minus 6x and a constant term sent to opposite side, minus 3 goes to opposite side comes to be plus 3. Then coefficient, they are like terms. Coefficient 8 minus 6 become how much? 2x is equal to 3. So x value become how to write a coefficient of x goes to be next side centimeters it goes to be denominator. So our answer x value become how much? 3 by 2 is our answer. I hope you can understand this one. Next another question. 3y solve 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. We want to solve the same model question. Here denominator part is there. This question denominator not there. So here also same process. Here left side denominator send to right side numerator. Right side denominator send to left side numerator. That process here also. If I cross multiply to the and 2 minus 6y cross multiply to the right side numerator. So we can write 3y plus 4 is multiplied with which number? Right side denominator 5. Then minus 2 is multiplied with which number? 2 minus 6y. Here bracket not there, we only keep in bracket. In numerator 2 terms means we only put bracket. In denominator case also 2 terms coming time we only keep a bracket. That is easy. The distributive property applied. So 5 into 3y become how much? 5 3s are how much? 15y plus 5 4s are how much? 20. Each term multiply and open limit. Here also minus 2 is multiplied to inside. Minus 2 into 2 become how much? Minus 4. Again symbol minus minus change to plus 2 6 are how much? 12. Next process, y term bring to one side, constant term send to opposite side. So 5y plus 12y bring to left side means it change to minus 12y is equal to right side which constant term is there already, minus 4 is there. From left side plus 20 send to opposite side comes to be minus 20. Then coefficients of y term 50 minus 12 become how much? 3y. 3y is equal to subtract and put big numbers. So subtraction do it in 3y. Bigger number is 50. Symbol of 15 is plus. That's why plus 3y. Here they are a negative. Both are negative terms. That's why what we want to add and put a minus sign. So minus 24. Here y value become how much? Here right side and left side cancellation possible. 3 table 3 one time. 3 table 24 how many times are there? 8 times. So our y value become how much? Minus 8 is the answer. I hope you can understand this type of question. Next another question. Solve that also same procedure only. Solve the third question. Solve 7y plus 4 by y plus 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. This way they also given same process. Here right side denominator cross multiplied with the left side numerator, left side denominator cross multiplied with the right side numerator. here two terms are in numerator, that's why keep a bracket. Here denominator also two terms, we only put a bracket. Then cross multiplication process. 7y plus 4 is cross multiplied with which number? 3. Equal right side part is minus 4 is multiplied with that left side denominator. Left side denominator become how much? Y plus 3. Then here also same process. Open the bracket. How to open? 3 into 7 become how much? 21 and same variable. Plus 3 fours are how much? 12. Equal right side minus 4 into y become minus 4y. Again minus into plus become minus 4 3s are how much? 12. Yeah, then next process what we want to do, like terms bring to variable terms bring to one side, constant terms send to opposite side. 21y is the minus 4 by bring to left side minus the transpose to take it, I change it to plus 4y equal right side which number is the minus 12. Here plus 12 is the left side, that one bring to opposite side means a plus change it to minus 12. Here calculation 21 plus 4 comes to be how much? 25y is equal to both are negative. What we want to do? Add and put a minus side. So minus 24. So y value become how much? Minus 24 by 25 is our answer. I hope you can understand this question. The next question that tells about your bad problems case. Here in bad problem case, two person are there. One boy name is Hari and the second boy name is Harry. Two members are there. Their ages are given. Their ages ratios are given. Both of them age ratio is given as 5:7 is their age ratio. Then second line they says that after 4 years their age ratio become 3:4 is there. After 4 years their age ratio. Then question asking find out the present age of Hari and Hari, they asked to find out. So how to find out the present age of Hari and Hari? We don't know exact present age how much. That's why we start with which way? Present age of Hari. We don't know. They given us in ratio. That's why ratio case what we want to do? Consider an alphabet. So Hari's ratio, age ratio, take it as 5x. First they mention Hari name. That's why first value represent Hari's age value. Then next present age of Hari. Hari's present age. They are given as a ratio how much is 7. So we can write it as a ratio means write an alphabet 7x. Their present age is like this. Then afterwards what they telling after 4 years. So we can write it as after 4 years age of first person is which one? Hari is equal to Hari's present age is how much? 5x. After 4 years means what we want to do? Add with the plus. Now you have 12 years. After 4 years means what we want to do? 12 plus 4 comes to be 16. Same way present age of Hari is 5x. After 4 years his age become 5x plus 4. Then next you say after 4 years age of Hari's present age given as 7x. After 4 years represent as 7x plus 4. According to question, their age ratios are given. How much? 3:4. So their ages are right as in a ratio. 4 years after their age become 5x plus 4. They are in ratio is 2 means a ratio. Represent 2 dot represent as ratio. Their ratio age ratios given how much? 3:4 is their age ratio. Then ratio case what we want to do? They write as in a fractional form. 5x plus 4, how we can write 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 equal, ratio case we write as in a fractional form, so 3 by x. Here also same process before question. Here bracket to put up because numerator and denominator carrying two terms. That's one. The next process just to cross multiplication process. So we can take it as left side 5x plus 4 is cross multiplied with the right side denominator 4m, and the 3 is multiplied with the left side denominator 7x plus 4. Then multiplication doing and find out x value. Then x value substitute in the present. That is suppose a present original. This is a percentage case considered. So x place x value substitute, then you get a percentage of Hari and Hari. That is the procedure. So our aim is to find the x value. Open the 5 fours are how much? 20x. 4 fours are how much? 16. Again 3 into 7 become 21x. 3 into 4 become how much? 12. X bring to one side. So 20x plus 21 bring to left side, change to minus 21x. Right side constant term is 12. Left side constant term plus 60 goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 60. Then coefficient of x 20 bigger number minus smaller number minus 1x will come in. So minus x and equal right side part 16 minus 12 comes to be how much? 4. Which 4? 16 is bigger number, symbol of 16 is minus, that's why minus 4. Right side left side minus 4 cancel, so x value become how much? 4. Therefore we can write it as, and therefore what we can write? Percentage of Hari we consider it as 5x, that means 5 into x to place x value how much we got? 4. 5 fours are how much? Hari become 20 years. Then here percentage of Hari means here 7 into x to place x value how much? 4. 7 fours are how much? 28 years. Hari have 20 years. Hari have 28 years old. I hope you can understand this question. Then next one more bad problem is there. In that bad problem they given us here in this way. Denominator of a rational number is greater than numerator by 8. Denominator of a rational number is greater than numerator by 8. So we don't know what which is our rational number. So according to question, here question we can write it as here in which way we can write numerator we don't know. Numerator we don't know. Numerator we consider it as x. Denominator also we don't know. Denominator we don't know. In which way they given a denominator is here greater than denominator is greater than numerator by 8. So we can write it as a denominator. How to write a denominator? How to write a x? X greater than 8. So x plus 8 is our denominator. Denominator is greater than numerator by 8 means x plus 8. So our rational number, we want our rational number. So rational number we can write it as a rational number. How to write a numerator by a denominator. Here numerator part is how much? X. Denominator part is how much? X plus 8. So rational number equal x by x plus 8. Then second line of that question says that here numerator is increased by 17 and denominator of the rational number is decreased means reduced by the 1, then the result become 3 by 2. In this way they given. So we can write according to question numerator part is x, numerator is increased by 70. So increase means 7 plus 70. And the denominator part, denominator is how much? X plus 8. reduced by 1, so minus 1. Then at that time answer become how much? Result to become, obtained result to become 3 by 2. That is equal to 3 by 2. Here also same process, numerator part 2 terms, denominator also 2 terms are there. Then afterwards cross multiply. Also first next step I will correctly write it as this implies that x plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1 comes to be 7 equal 3 by 2. Here we can cross multiply. Okay. Here cross multiply. Cross multiply how much? Numerator x plus 17 is cross multiply with 2. Denominator x plus 7 is cross multiply with 3. So x plus 7. Then 2 into x become how much? 2x. 17 2s are how much? 34. Then right side part also open. 3 into x become 3x plus 3 into 7 become how much? 21. X term bring to left side. 3x plus 3x 2x plus 3x bring to left side, change it to minus 3x equal constant term send to opposite side. Already 21 is the plus 34 goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 34. Then next coefficient of x take 2 minus 3 become how much? Minus 1x. Yeah, 34 minus 21 means how much? 4 minus 1 comes to be 3. 3 minus 3, 30. Which is bigger number? 34. Symbol of 34 is minus. So right side also minus is the cancel. Left side also minus is the, both are cancelled. Therefore x value become how much we got? 13 is our x value. Therefore final answer how we can write our required rational number they are asking. Therefore required rational number B, rational number equal in which way? X by x plus 8 is our expression. X place x value 13. Here denominate x place 13 plus 8 is equal to 13 by 21 is our answer. Required rational number become how much? 13 by 21 is our answer. I hope you can understand this chapter. Next class we go through a new chapter. Thank you.